welcome back to my channel. So I hope you're all doing really well and it's nice to finally speak to you guys again. So what a weird year it's been already. What the hell is going on in the world? Is anyone else really tired of 2021 already? Because I know I am. So today's video is going to be a haul. I was very well behaved in terms of buying stuff for ages and ages, but then I just caved. I think lockdown got to me and I just started buying everything. So yeah. So my favourite thing out of all the stuff I bought recently is the jewellery I got from Abbott Line. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And excuse my nails in this video. Of course, nail technicians are not working at the moment, so I can't get my nails done. Please ignore that. Every time I do gel nails, they just chip. It's probably just the way I'm doing it, but yeah, let's just not. So I made an order from Abbott Line and I'm super pleased with all the stuff I got. So this is the first necklace I got and it's very chunky. I'll zoom you in so you can see. So that's it there. So it's a rose gold necklace. So that's the first piece I got. I'm super pleased with that. I just really wanted some jewellery that was better quality, that wasn't going to tarnish super quick. I was just sick of buying like really cheap costume jewellery that was just getting ruined within a couple of months. So I thought I would invest in some nice pieces. So even though this is a slightly more premium brand, I think I still got 30% off. My order came to about £140, but for all the things I got, I think that's pretty good. So I got that necklace. That was the most expensive one of everything. This is the other pieces I got. They came in more boxes than this, but I've condensed it into a few less boxes so it's easier to show you guys. So I got two other necklaces. Ooh. Oh, whoops. So this was one of the other necklaces. So I got them all in the colour rose gold. So this is a double necklace with little beads on it. And there we go. So yes, I'm really pleased with them. I can even wear both of these together. So these necklaces are joined together. I can wear them with this nice chunky one too if I like. Then the other necklace I got was this one here. So this is just a very simple chain but with little diamantes on it. So I'm super pleased with that one. And again, I can wear it with a double necklace or possibly with this chunky one. This is the maximum length of this one. So I might buy a chain extender for this. And it means I can wear both of these together without them being the same length or kind of overlapping with one another. And then the last thing I got was charms. So these are the charms I got. So although my birthstone is actually a ruby because I was born in July, this is the birthstone for June. I think it's moonstone, but I just really like the look of it because it's quite pearly and I think it would go nice with some of the other charms I got. So yeah, I like that one. Then I got a chunkier one. So it's like a nice rectangle shape. It has a very fine D engraved on it, which I really like. It isn't too obvious, so again, a nice piece to wear with lots of other charms or necklaces. Then I got this and sign. My idea with this is to wear the and sign and the little heart together, back to back. I think that would be lovely together. So that's the way I'm planning on wearing these. I just felt like the and sign was a little bit different from just getting a D, you know. And then last but not least, I got this infinity sign. Again, a nice one, possibly to wear it with a little heart or on its own. I like the way this would hang down, it's pretty sweet. So yeah, so I'm super pleased with them. And it came beautifully packaged and all the pieces came with a little polishing cloth. So I was super impressed. Definitely feels like a really nice luxury brand with a nice note inside the order. So yeah, so if these pieces last without tarnishing, I would definitely purchase again, but going from the reviews and the descriptions of the products, I don't think they will tarnish. So that company is called Abbott Line and I will link their website down below. Then the next place I done an order from was Glossier. So I just got, so can you hear that noise? I live across from a mechanics and this noise is constant. Quite often when I try and film videos, this is what happens, so hence the lack of YouTube videos, guys, you know. Okay, so as I was saying, so I've got a fresh Glossier Boy Brow in brown. Can you please be quiet? You're really killing my vibe right now. So as I was saying, so I got a fresh one of my Glossier Boy Brow in brown. And I love this, it's definitely my favourite brow gel. also try the Glossy Brow Flick. So this is a brow pen with a nice fine nib, and this is in the shade Brown. Again, I've used it today and I'm really pleased with it so far. You do definitely need to shake it, and I find if you try and use it too much at one time, the pigment stops being as strong. So I do find you need to kind of use it on one eyebrow, leave it for a second, shake it, and then do the other. But I'm really liking it so far. I've kind of heard mixed reviews, so I'll let you know what I think on that one. And then the last thing I got from Glossy was 2 new shades of the Cloud Paints. So I got the shade Dawn and Storm. So I've got a bright orange and a deep berry colour, and I have Dawn on right now, so it kind of definitely goes with this nice orange vibe I've got going on. I wanted a more summery shade of this and a more wintry shade, so I'll definitely use this in an upcoming video and show you what that one's like. Then I got this Fenty Slip Shine in the shade Tang Tang, so it's a nice bright orange, and these feel amazing. It smells like vanilla, it feels super smooth on the lips, so I'm super pleased with it. Definitely highly recommend that, and I don't know why it's took me so long to try those because they're fabulous. Definitely worth the money, although it's like a glorified tinted lip balm, is definitely worth it. Oh my god. So my next order was for Charlotte Tilbury, and not gonna lie, the only reason I ordered was because they were doing their deal where if you spend £75 you get a free foundation. So who in their right mind is not going to do that? I seen the email popping up in my inbox literally every day for like a month, and I ignored it. But then I caved. But I got a shade that's a bit too light. I got 2 neutral, but it's very light. So I think I'll need to buy a darker one to mix with it. Or I can just put it in my kit. But I like the neutral shades from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't like foundations that are too pink or too yellow. So fab shade, just a wee bit too light. It has the most stunning packaging ever. Very luxury, high-end feeling. You definitely feel like you've got a treat when you buy it. That's one of the things I love about Charlotte Tilbury. Then I'm trying a new shade of the liquid blushes. So this is the Pillow Talk, but it's the medium shade. So it's a little bit darker. So again, it's like a blush and a highlight hybrid. I'm loving this glowy cream cheek product moment right now. So again, I'll show you this in an upcoming video, and you can see what it's like in action, or on my Instagram. I love these. I have like 3 of them already. I need to get the Pillow Talk original one, the highlighter version. It's like a pink highlighter and it's stunning. I just need to own it. So I'll show you this very soon. Then the next thing I got from Charlotte Tilbury was one of their Hollywood lips, and this is in the shade Best Actress. This came very highly recommended for a nice brown liquid lipstick. So I'll show you the shade on my hand. Bear in mind I'm very pale right now. So that's the shade there. So it's like quite a dark brown with a nice mix of warm orangey tones and a little hint of pink too. So it's a nice in-between sort of brown. My favourite liquid lipstick is Charlotte Darling. So I bought that as something slightly different. You can see the difference here. This one's a lot warmer, that one's a lot more browny pinky. So yeah, so again, I'll show you that very soon. I think it would go really nicely with the Pillow Talk medium blush. I'll show you them together. It's very sad doing this, but I feel like it's got to be done because it is a haul video, isn't it? Oh, no. Hello. Look at that. It's actually very bronzy. On the website, it doesn't look as bronzy as that. It actually looks more like a blush. So I'm really pleased with that actually. Really nice colour. I think it would go really nicely over this glossy blush actually. So let's put a little bit on. Woohoo. Ooh. I'll show you it properly in another video, of course. Really nice. Then the last thing I got from Charlotte Tilbury was finally one of our collagen lip baths. So this is her super hydrating lip glosses, and I think they have hyaluronic acid in them, but they're supposed to be super hydrating and buttery feeling, so of course I had to get one. It has a very strange applicator, kind of like a heart shape, pretty much clear just with a little hint of peach through it. Again, as you can see, I'm a big fan of peach colours, so I'm sure I'll like that. Again, I'll report back and let you know how it is. So then, the pièce de résistance is my P. Louise order. I finally caved and got some of the P. Louise colourful bases. So let's do a little ASMR opening video. That was so hard to open, jeez. Woo. Packaging is pretty special though. I've not done a P. Louise order for a long time, so a lot has changed since I've last ordered. But yeah, super luxury and beautiful. She always includes these really motivational cards. It's just really cool. our packaging is just on point. So this is in here. Ooh. The brush is slightly squished, but that's fine. It's just for our base anyway, so that's fine. So I got the set with the Bada Black base in it because I figured I can darken these lighter bright colours with the dark base, and I already have the white base. So yeah, so now I have my light and my dark to alter all the colours. Whoop. Ooh, it's so hard to open. Oh my god. Jeez. Nah, I'm gonna have to cut it. Sorry, P. Louise. Ooh, that's better. Oh, another brush. I didn't know I ordered 2 brushes, but there you go. Maybe I got it as a freebie, who knows. P. Louise is notorious for giving freebies. Cute brush, a little bit smaller than the other one. So these will be super handy. So I got the P. Louise Mimi Mitchell Acid Rain Paint in Ibiza. So it's the purple lilac-y one. So this is it here. That's the shade there. So it's a nice lilac, very, very thick. Much thicker than the actual bases itself. So this one's a paint, and it's definitely a very different texture to the bases. So I'm sure that will go on super opaque. And it's stained my hand a little bit already with it being on for 2 seconds, but what do you expect when you want super highly pigmented products, you know? Then it has to get cut. I think this says, yeah, sign, seal, deliver, I'm yours. Like it? Woo! Look at these. Now this is a sight for sore eyes. These are just pretty. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I got the set where you get 5 bases. I think you get a slight discount on it, but it'll probably change like weekly because she always does sales and deals, which is great. So I got these shades here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So I got the shades Yummy Yellow, Cute and Coral, Banging Blue, Hint of Mint, and Rude Boy Red. So my idea was to make pink, I'll just mix the red with the white one. To make a darker orange, I'll just mix the red and the orange together. To make a lighter green, mix it with white, the blue, same thing, yellow, so on and so forth. So yeah, so I'll definitely create some new colourful looks with these because definitely my Instagram is looking far too neutral, and I think it's time to switch up a bit. So these bad boys are going to help me do that, and this beautiful paint as well. So yeah, so if you have any ideas of looks you want me to create with these, then just send me out on Instagram and I will be sure to give it a go. And yeah, so definitely look out for some more colourful, fun looks on my Instagram with these, and I might even do a YouTube tutorial on it. So if you want a YouTube tutorial using these and me trying something totally different, because I haven't done colourful makeup on myself for at least 6 months, so I think it's time to have a little play again, create something different, create something exciting. So let me know if you want me to create colourful looks with these in the comments, and I will be sure to do so. So yeah, really pleased with this, and I think just picking up a few new bits just makes you a little bit more inspired to create something new, because sometimes with makeup you do get stuck in a little bit of a rut of using the same products or doing the same looks all the time. So I bought these basically to inspire me to create something totally new. And also go outside your comfort zone. Yeah, so if you really enjoy doing makeup but you want to try something new, I would highly recommend getting something like that, or even just a bright eyeshadow palette and just having a play. There's nothing quite the same as having a good old play with makeup and just really having fun, like not doing makeup for Instagram pictures or for YouTube videos, literally just to enjoy it. So that's what I'm going to do, and then probably film a YouTube video and an Instagram video as well. So yeah, so that's all the stuff I've got recently beauty wise. There's been a few more skincare, body bits, whatever, so you can see those kind of things over my Instagram story, so don't forget to follow me there. So it's Danielle Dixon MUA, I'll leave it on the screen. So I hope you're all doing well, you're all staying safe and staying positive first and foremost, and healthy. Let me know what other videos you want to see. If you want to see more content from me, then make sure you subscribe. So I hope everyone's doing well, and I'll see you very soon.